All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to cut someone out in this part of my series. I have a five video series here on this playlist about Photoshop, and this is number 3. So let's jump in here. I'm going to grab this object selection tool up here, and I'm going to zoom out a little. You can just press Command minus and plus to zoom out like that. And if you hold this over anything, the subject, person, a coffee mug, whatever it is, it can select different objects if you hold it over long enough. Photoshop kind of traces it out in its head, in its CPU, I guess you could say. But what I'm going to do is just drag a pretty tight box all around the person. Let Photoshop think. And now it did a pretty good job. I'm going to zoom in and look. That's really good for, just for Photoshop. Basically taking a guess and saying, hey, this is all right. So there's some hair missing and stuff, but for some things shot on a really, like a bright white background, and you have some kind of dark object, that's probably good enough. But if we want to refine it a little bit, we go up here to select, and we're going to go to select and mask. And it's going to pop open this, and it's already thinking a little bit more along the lines of what it did with the object selection, but this even cleans it up a little more. And there's a lot of things you can mess with in here, smoothing edges and feather, but I mean, most of the time you can pretty much leave these here, and you're just going to want to grab this guy. It's called the Refine Edge tool. And what you do, you can use your brackets to make it bigger and smaller, or you can right click on it and change the size and the hardness. But generally speaking, you're going to want it pretty soft. And yeah, the size is, that's up to you. So, and then what you're going to do is just zoom in here and see there's white right there, right? That's the background. So we're just going to paint that out. So you're just telling Photoshop, hey, check this part out a little bit more in depth. See this white right here? Gone. So, that's what you're trying to do here. And overall the image looks pretty good. So this was a really good one. You might have to spend some good amount of time in here on some images. But yeah, I got a little bit more white out there. So this looks really good though. So what we're going to do here is we can put output to selection. That just modifies the selection that you already had going. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to zoom out all the way. And now let's copy and paste the person here. Copy. Now if I paste another one, and you're going to see, I have now a new layer. See that? I'm going to toggle this one off, or I can throw it away, but I can toggle it off. See that? Now the person is on a background. No background, sorry. Background's been removed on what's called the transparency grid. So I do have them stacked on top of each other real quick. So I'm gonna go to this layer here. This is the original one. And I'm gonna show you one way if you really can't get the object selection tool to cut something out because of the background being too wild, you can use something called a clipping path. This takes a little bit more refinement. It's this tool here, the pen tool, right? And as you come down here, you'll see that I'm gonna zoom in, and you can actually click here and draw. So you're going to draw like around what you want cut out, and it's really precise. I mean, you can get all the way in here and just, you trim off a couple pixels if you really want to. So this doesn't matter what color background you're on, whatever. You can just slice through anything you want. And at this part, I'm holding Option. That gives you the option to turn, basically go around a corner. I'm going to do it again here. I'm going to go down here, and then you can hold Option to stop. It kind of puts the direction of the path you're going to go. So after you get done with that, you'll have a work path here, but you'll see that if I zoom out, I'm going to get off of that work path, and I'm going to click on path 1, and that is a path here. I can turn that into a selection by doing that, or just by holding Command and clicking on it. And now I have the selection, so you can actually save selections in that manner too. So see, this path 2 is just a pants. So if I click on it, you'll see the red pop up there, and if I command click on it, I have just the pants. So you can you can draw those around anything and then save them, and always go back and make them into selections if you want to. So that's the basics of cutting something out in Photoshop. So hopefully that helped. If it did, send it to someone who might need it. Hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.